All right, here at Miles Around, we always take time to check out all the products we can put on our Project Toyota Tundra. We're in the shop today with Chris from 4-Wheel Parts and Performance to talk about our brand new 6-inch lift. This vehicle is the first Toyota Tundra in the Pacific Northwest to get this package. Now, Chris, let's start with the tires and wheels.
Well, what we got here is our brand new Pro Comp Extreme Mud Terrains. These are 35 1250 20 tires with a 20-inch Pro Comp Night Chrome wheel. The tires are the Extreme Mud. Nice thing about the Extreme Mud Terrain tires are the big lugs. They're going to clean out really fast when you're in the mud, and they have a very aggressive sidewall, and they have the rim savers too on the tires. So if you scrub a curb or something, they're not going to mess up your wheels.
And that's nice because these things have this great black chrome finish. You know, you actually said it's not really chrome; it's actually anodized, or what else was it?
Powder coated.
Powder coated.
It's not chrome, so it's going to be very low maintenance when you go to clean them and stuff like that. So you're going to have less of the issues with chrome, no flaking, it's going to last forever and look great forever.
That's nice. Now let's get to the lift. Now this is a specific setup for this Project Tundra. Tell us a little bit about it.
Absolutely. It's a billet steel block that's made for the Tundra, and we have our fully adjustable MX6 shocks in the back of this. They're 6-way adjustable monotube nitrogen shock that are made for the Tundra, so you can adjust the shock to whatever load you're carrying.
And you said that was nice because you can actually separate the truck in kind of two different modes. You could set up really soft if you want to go off-road, a lot of travel, or if you want to load something, maybe tow something, you can set it up stiff so you have that ability to put the load on the car.
Yeah, you can adjust the shock for a daily driven vehicle to the office, or on the weekends when you want to take the truck to take the toy hauler to the sand dunes, you can adjust the shock for whatever load you're carrying. Excellent.
Now we're going to stop with the back end of the truck and move up to the front, the end that takes most of the abuse. Well, Jason, the thing I want to ask you about is the install, the process from taking a stock truck and making it look like our project vehicle. What is entailed in that? Is it something that one guy does or two guy does? Tell us about the installation.
At our shop, it's a one-guy job. You know, it's a full 8-hour job to do all the kit install. The rear it's pretty straightforward. You know, it's just a set of blocks and a shock. You know, that's an hour or so. Everything's up front. You got to basically drop the full stock suspension, the differential, everything comes out of the front. The drop brackets go in, drop everything down, then you reassemble the complete front end in the truck. And then the alignment's about an hour and a half.
Okay, now do you guys train on all these new vehicles as far as the difference between, say, an old school Chevy with a solid axle versus a lot of the new trucks having the independent front suspension?
Oh yeah, it's one of those things. They get a video they watch and they go through a tech manual, and there's a lot of upfront training when they get a new kit and a new truck comes out.
All right, well, Jason, we appreciate you coming by and spending some time with us, explaining all the things that you did to our Project Toyota Tundra. If people want to find out more about 4-Wheel Parts and Performance here in the area, how do they do that?
You can go to our website. It's the number 4wheelparts.com. If you're interested more in the lift kit, it's explorerprocomp.com.
Excellent. Now, if you'd like to see pictures of this vehicle or some of the upcoming stuff we're going to do with 4-Wheel Parts and Performance, make sure and go to milesaround.com. There'll be pictures and some of the segments from the very program you're watching today. That's Miles Around, and we're in the shop.
Here are the guys that make Miles Around possible. The Rat Auto Group, Baxter Auto Parts, Northside Ford, Ray Reese Dealerships, 4-Wheel Parts Performance Center, Grand Prix Imports, and J. Lee's Auto Group. Thanks, guys.